Here I have BYD, and let me show you how to use the automatic seat. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the BYD. Let's find here and select the settings. From list of settings, let's use the left tab, and from the left tab, let's select the vehicle. From vehicle, let's use the upper menu to select comfort driving. Then let's find here the automatic seat. As you can see in this first option, let's just use this switcher. So right now, when you turn off the car and open the door, the driver's seat slides back to give you more room to get out. When you get back in, it slides forward to your saved driving position. So it's quite useful feature. I like to have this enabled, and let me leave it like that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.